Hello everybody, my name is Dean DeWolf, and today we are making a video, yes, today, and in this video we are gonna be doing the Rubik's Cube. Now, for this video, I'm gonna do one color, so I'm gonna try to get the white in this episode. Okay. Like that, like so. I think this is gonna be a good episode. Okay, so now I'm gonna put that back. So this is what I got so far, you guys. Okay, so we're doing very good, actually. So I'm gonna try to get the green. Okay, so this is very good. Okay, I'm not gonna do the white, you guys. I'm gonna do the green. Okay, perfect. Okay, never mind about that. Let's move it that way, and then you move it like that, like so. See that? Okay, I see yellow. So I got some yellow, and I got the green almost. So, okay, we go like that. Okay, we're doing pretty good for now. It's gonna be a long video, so, because I'm just trying to get one color, and you move that like that. And you move that up there, like that. Crap, I screwed up. I got one color before, but not on video. Yellow. I'm just concentrating, you guys, so. I hope I didn't scare you guys, like I was just like, whoa. Okay, wait a minute. Okay. We are doing good. Right now, you guys, this is cool. Okay. What did I do? Okay, so I'm gonna try to get the white once again. Okay. Let me put that there for now. Is there another white? Yes, there is. Right there. Perfect. I'm getting some of the colors, so... I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh, we're getting some orange. And I'm trying to get this color, the white. Let me move that like that. Okay, let me move that down there. I need to get that middle one, you guys. Okay, I got 3. Okay, we are back. Okay, let me move that up there. Ooh, I'm starting to get pretty good at this. Okay, let me move that up there. I'm gonna move this. Perfect. That's what I wanted, you guys, right there. Sorry about that. Perfect. This is beautiful. Okay. Okay, I'm starting to get the hang of it. But you just gotta really concentrate. See, you guys? It's like that. I'm trying to get the two colors, and that's one color and two colors. So I'm gonna put those together. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna move it like that. Then I'm gonna move it like that. Then I'm gonna bring this down. Move this up. Oh, wait. I can't do that. Dang it. This is very hard. Like, just to get one color. I did it last night. I'm honest with you guys. Like, I did it last night. I was like, yes, I got my first color. I've been trying for months to get a color on this. And a color is better than no color, so I can't solve the whole thing. I wish I could, but I can't. Starting to get a little bit of orange in this too, and yellow, and green. No. Need to move that. There we go. I'm gonna put like that. I'm just trying different ways, you guys, so I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Okay, you gotta really focus. I mean, okay. That white's over there. So, that white's over there, and I'm trying to get it like that. And that's what I got so far. Okay. Let me move that up front. Then is there a middle one? Yes, there is. What am I gonna do? Dang it! Oh. This is very hard. Okay, blue. Okay. I might as well get the blue because it's easier. So, yeah, I'm gonna try to get the blue, you guys. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna move that up. Then I'm gonna move that up. And eventually, if I do something, I'm really good at this, you guys, but I'm just trying to get one color. This whole time, I want to get a color, but it's not gonna happen. Okay. The blue's right there. And I want that. Okay, let me move this up. And there's another blue. Perfect. Is there another one? No. So, still recording? Yes. Okay. Okay, you guys. This is starting to get a little bit hard. Ah, dang it. Okay. Okay, so this is what I got so far on the blue, and I just need these two colors left, and I got two, so it's right there. And some of the colors are not there, so if I do that, okay, I think I have a strategy. So I'm gonna move these two up, Then I'm gonna move these guys up. And I'm gonna move that up. Would that work? Okay. Starting to turn out a 10-minute video, so I'm just trying to hurry this up. Yes. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. You boy. I got one color. Let's go. But how would I get that? Ah, okay. Dang. Wait a minute. I'm figuring it out, you guys, so... Okay, if that's blue right there and the blue is right there, that means I could do this. Okay. Okay, is there a blue somewhere? And there's not. I made a T. Okay. Okay, you guys. This is turned out to be very good, a little bit. So, yeah. Okay. Now, blue. Okay. I made a T again. Okay. Okay. Oh my god, what is up with this T? Okay, let me try the white once again. Is there another white? Dang it. Okay, let me just move this up like that, so that's what I got for the white. Okay. Okay. Okay, I got that. Perfect. Okay, this is not good. I wanted to make a color in this video, like just one color, but it seems to me... Oh, wait a minute. Come on. Dang it! Okay, I'm gonna move that. What? I don't have enough of the orange. Okay, you guys, sorry, so I can't get a color for now, but I almost did. So in the next video, you guys are gonna see this again, and I'm gonna try to do the exact same thing. Losing my breath. Oh, okay. So, click down there to subscribe right now. Or is it down there? I don't know. Either way, down there, and then look. I'm just laughing. Look up there for my next video, and yeah, or over there somehow. Yeah, wherever it is. So yeah. Okay, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this likes, comments, and you could subscribe down here, either one. I don't know where because I can't see it. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a like, comment, and subscribe. And as always,